Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? Navbar. Navbar toggle, now item drop down. Let's start coding. I have already created our project file for you guys. I also edit a folder images and edit a logo image. We will use that image in our project now. Let's start creating Navtag first. Let's assign our Bootstrap class for Navtag. Navbar, expand LG, Navbar dark. It is about design of our Navbar and BG dark, background dark. Let's save it. Have a look at it. We see the background. Let's start rest of them. Let me create a div first. I want to assign a class name for that div. Container fluid. And let's put our logo and logo text. Let's assign our class name. Navbar brand. And let's put our logo image and text in A tab. Image. As you remember, we created a folder images and our logo in the images folder. And let's assign width and height. And height. Let me make it wider for you guys. And let's assign our text to logo text. Now I need to add Navbar toggler button. We will see Navbar toggler button when we reduce the size of our browser. Let's assign class Navbar toggler and type button and data BS toggler collapse. Let me get it down and data BS target Navbar supported content and area control Navbar supported content and area expanded false and area label toggle navigation. We use that structure while creating Bootstrap Navbar. So we will use same things in our future projects. Let's assign our span. We need to assign an icon. Navbar toggle icon. Let's save it and have a look at it, our project. You see guys, we see our logo and logo text. When you reduce it, we see our toggler as well. Let's start our Navbar items. I need to create a div first. And let's assign class for div. Collapse Navbar, collapse, and ID. ID must be same with that one. So we are targeting that toggler icon with our ID. Let's create a UL and LI. Let's assign our class for UL. Navbar now and ME auto margin bottom 2 and margin bottom LG 0. Let's assign class for LI. Now item. Let's assign a tag for LI. Let's say home. And let's assign class name. Now link active. Let me copy and paste couple of more. We don't need active. Active is showing us which page we are browsing currently. About and contact. Let's save it and have a look at it. See guys, we see our menu. We assigned active and home is active and we see as a white text. Let's reduce size of our browser and have a look at it. You see guys, we see our menu. It is completely responsive menu. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.